Hello everyone. Welcome to Data Scientist with Manoj. First of all, happy Nepali New Year to everyone. Wish you your family happiness, success, good health, and new opportunity in the beautiful New Year. My name is Manoj Kumar Yadav, and today on this special occasion, I am starting something very important in my life: my 100 days Data Scientist challenge. I'm starting from zero, but with big dream and strong dedication. My goal is to become a successful data scientist. My learning step by step every single day. In this journey, I will learn Python, SQL, statics, machine learning, data analysis, and many more important skills needed in the data science field. I also share my daily progress, struggle, mistake, and improvement with all of you. This challenge is not only for me, it is for everyone who wants to grow in life, learn new skill, and change their future. Sometimes the journey will be hard. Sometimes I may feel tired, but I will not quit. I will stay conscious for 100 days. If you are also learning coding, data science, or trying to improve yourself, then join me on this journey. Please support me by liking this video, subscribe to Data Scientist with Manoj, and following my progress. Day one start and the journey begin with a new year and a new mindset. Let's become better together. Thank you for your time and happy new year.